1 students. Welcome to science video class. In today's class, we will start a new chapter. What is the name of a chapter? We need water. Water is a basic thing. Do you know that? Yes, if living things want to remain alive, then what are the 3 things they will need? Food, water and air. So food, water, air, these all are very important for us. Yes or no? Yes, we cannot live without water. Can we live without drinking a water? No. What are the different uses of water? We use water for drinking, then bathing, cooking. Yes or no? Yes. So water is very precious things. Yes or no? Yes. Now let us start the chapter. Water is very important for all living things. It is present in well, rivers, ponds, lakes, seas and oceans. What are the sources of water? Where does water is present? In well, then river, pond, lake, seas and oceans. These all are things where the water are present, where water is present. But from where do we get water? We get water from rain. Which is the main source of water? Rain. From where do we get water? Rain. Rainwater fills all the water bodies like sea, river, pond, etc. Where does rainwater will go? Rainwater will fill all these water bodies. Sea, river, pond, etc. are known as water bodies which are filled with the rainwater. Understood? Yes. Now there is one activity for you, that is Davis time. Look at the 4 pictures given below. What is this? These are the 4 pictures of our sources of water, and here they have given you 4 names, that is sea, river, rain and pond. What they have given you? Sea, river, rain and pond. What you have to do? You have to identify the picture and then you have to write the name. For example, here, what is this? This is a picture of a rain. So what you have to write in this blank? R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. This one, which picture it is? Pond. So what you will write here? P-O-N-D, pond. So this Davis time, our activity. This you have to do it as a homework section. Understood, beta? Yes. Turn the page. Take next page. Now, uses of water. What are the different uses of water? Where do we use water? We use water for drinking, then bathing, then cooking, then washing our clothes. Yes, you know? Yes, we use water for different purpose. Let us read it. Water is needed for many activities. All living things need to drink water to stay alive. All of the living things. What are the living things? Plants, animals and human beings. So plants, animal and human beings. All of us needs water to drink if we want to remain alive. Plants need water to make food. Why does plants need water? To make the food. Plants make the food with the help of water. Then why animals needs water? Animals needs water for drinking and bathing. Why do they need water? For drinking and bathing. Understood? Yes. Why do animals need water? For drinking and bathing. Why do plants need water? To make food. Now see, they have given some picture which will see. First one, what is this? animals. Why do animals need water? Animals need water to drink. Then plants need water to make food. Then we need water to stay alive. What are the different uses of water? Again, water is needed for bathing. See, one boy is there. What he is doing? He is taking a bath. So water is needed for bathing. Then which picture it is? One mother is cooking food. So do we need food for cooking? Yes or no? Yes. So we use water to cook food. Then for washing the clothes, we use water to wash clothes. Yes or no? Yes. Next is we use water to put out fire. See, this is a fire brigade, and what they are doing? They are putting out a water. So water is also used to put out fire. Now tell me different uses of water which I have explained you. Yes, one by one. Animals need water to drink. Then plants need water to make food. Why does we need water? To stay alive. Then what are the else uses of water? For bathing, then cooking, washing the clothes, then putting out a fire. These are the different uses of water. Are you able to understand what I am telling you? Yes. Now take next page. Again, Debbie's time. We use water for many activities. Write the name of activities given below. What you have to do? Here you have to write the name of activity which needs water. Look at the first picture. What the boy is doing? Swimming. Which activity he is doing? Swimming. Do we need water for swimming? Yes. So what you have to write here? Swimming. Next is what this person is doing? Cleaning the car. So which activity he is doing? Cleaning car. Next is brushing. Then mopping. So this activity you have to do it in homework section. Okay. Now next one. We must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. How much water should we drink every day? 8 to 10 glasses. Water is very good for our health. What we have to do? We have to drink at least 8 or 10 glass. At home, we get water from taps. We should use this water with care. At home, with the help of what we are getting water? We get water from the taps. But water is very precious things. So what we should do? We should take care while using the water. We should drink, boil or filter water. See, we should boil or filter tap water before drinking it. Before drinking the water, what we should do? We should boil the water or we should filter the water. If we are drinking dirty water, then we will fall ill. Yes? So what we should do? We should boil the water or we should filter the water. Now, we can store water in many things. What are the different things in which we can store water? Yes, we can store the water in a bucket. Then, we can also store water in a tank, bottle and pot. At our home, bucket is there. Yes, tank is also there, bottle, pot. These all the things are used to store water. Do you know that? Yes. So, what our mother is using to store the water? Bucket, then tank, bottle and pot. Now, while using the water, we should take care of such things. What are that things? Take care. What we should take care? Always drink clean water. Dirty water can make you sick. Which type of water we should drink? Always we should drink clean water. Why we should not drink dirty water? Because dirty water can make us sick. Close the tap after use. What we have to do? We have to close the tap. If we are not closing the tap, then we are wasting the water. Keep drinking water covered. We should cover the water which is used for drinking. Never drink water directly from river and lake. What they have told us? We should never drink water directly from river and lake. What we should do? First of all, we should boil the water or we should filter the water. Understood? Water is very precious. We should not waste it. We should not dirty our water bodies. What I have explained you, that water is very important thing. It is very precious. We should waste water? No, we should not waste water. And we should also not dirty our water bodies. Again Debbie's time, activity time. What we have to do here? Draw pictures of 3 containers in which we can store water. What we have to do here? Here you have to draw a picture of 3 containers in which you can store the water. What are different containers? Bottle, tank, bucket. Yes or no? Yes. So here you have to draw any 3 containers. But this you have to do it in a homework. So students, tell me what we have learned in our class. We have learned about water. What is the main source of water? Rain. Then what are the different water bodies? Sources of water? Pond, then lake, seas, rivers, wells. These all are the source of water. Rainwater are filled in this type of water bodies. Then what are the uses of water? Why do animals use water? Animals use water for drinking and bathing. Then plants use water for making a food. And why do we use water? We use water for different things like drinking, then cooking, bathing, washing our clothes. Yes or no? Yes. So water is very precious thing. Should we waste water? No, we should not waste water. Then how much glass of water we should drink daily? 8 or 10 glasses. So that's all for today's class. In our next class, we will do textbook writing. Okay? Let us meet in our next class. Till that, bye bye. Take care.